Welcome back to our channel. So today we're in Moab and we're gonna run Hell's Revenge. It's blazing hot outside, so we decided to leave in the morning. We have met these people that we know through the people we met in Oklahoma. They just happened to be up here at the same time, so it was really cool that it worked out for us to wheel together. It's hot wheeling in Utah in August, so we'll take you along for the ride. See where the trail goes because it's on the black.
That's like a highway through the desert.
Yeah.
I can't believe we're in Moab. You know, we originally weren't coming to Moab, but we decided to come anyway.
Which ended up being on the hottest week of the year.
It's a lot different than San Paulo.
This is called Hell's Gate, and he just went down it without even looking at it. I don't like to go down things. It's a little sketch. You got to go down it to come back up it. And the blue bus made it down pretty easy. Made me feel a little sketch, but it was fine.
We misunderstood that once you drop down in there, that you loop around and come back up. That was like the famous Hell's Gate or ladder or whatever it was. So we didn't have anybody there to record that. Oh yeah. This is the famous Devil's Hot Tub, I guess. Well, I can't wait to get in this thing. So is this your first outing on these?
Yes.
Yes. Not counting the backyard.
Yeah.
They're decently
Are
solid.
they 40s?
40s, but
That looks
roll
pretty.
up next to my 43 SX.
I was gonna say that's tall 40 right
I got
there.
the 43 Mickey
Sticky Mickeys.
Yeah, and they're just as tall.
It's out here. I think a tire like this right here with a good flat contact patch.
You got more rubber on the ground.
Exactly.
You got a lot of wood.
You're as close to flipping as you are making it. I mean, it's a razor line. Oh, might be time to call it, Roland. Man, I tell you, that was a beatdown if I ever saw one. Roland gave it every bit of effort he could in that thing. He just simply didn't have enough power. So I pulled down in here and got mine a little hot and kind of unfortunately one shot at it. Yeah, I was actually looking forward to having to fight for that a little bit more and thought that I would be letting the old LS sing a little bit more, but that just didn't happen thanks to my wheelbase. All right, so back day 2. Today we're going to hit Pritchett Canyon. This is Roland, the guy I was telling you about that was going to wheel with in Oklahoma. Our schedules didn't line up, didn't work out. But he's friends with Barry. If you watch that video, Barry and JD that helped me out, that's kind of your normal wheeling crew, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's wild how it went full circle.
Yeah.
And we meet all the way out in Moab. But today I am towing his because he came here with a motorhome, and so that he doesn't have to break camp or anything, I'll just pull doubles for the day. Have you ran Pritchett Canyon? I know it's been 20 years.
It's been 20 years.
Okay.
I vaguely remember a couple spots maybe, and I remember it was hot.
All right, well, it's gonna be hot today, so
Yes, sir.
let's go sweat it out. So this is what we done. Instead of having to unhook the trailer, I just jackknifed it so he can back off of his trailer, and then I can pull off the truck. All right, yeah, so stick your thing in there. I think this is how area BFE works, is my understanding, or used to, or something.
I know it's kind of how Green Acres works.
Yeah, Green Acres. All right, so when you see this, you're in the right place for Green Acres. You must sign a waiver, which is in here. Put your $20 in there. Works off the honor system. I like that. Yeah. Green Acres, that was something. Yeah, so, all right. Off to Pritchett Canyon we go. Didn't like the heat, so it's just me and the boy again today. He's become quite the sidekick. Oh, Mickey Thompson's hooked pretty good. There it goes. So we just met this guy. He just cut a Cooper STT Pro earlier with only 2,000 miles. He said he went to town and got some glue tread, little die grinder, some glue tread, and he patched this thing up, cleaned it up real good. And now he's out here on Pritchett Canyon. How much was that?
125, but it comes with Colby valve stems, which
Oh,
are like,
that's,
they go
yeah,
from
yeah.
outside.
Those
it
are
comes
great.
with 6 different patches and a full plug kit all in one. You
That's
can
what-
get cheaper ones that are just like the patch,
Yeah.
but I just bought
That's
everything.
great to throw in a toolbox, ammo can or something.
Yep.
Colby valve, patch, all in one. Check it out.
Roland's trying to point his power at that big rock and get up this ledge. Massive undercut. I think that's it right there, Roland. Yeah, he wants it. Oh, dude, it's doing it. That might work real easy. Oh, come on. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Oh.
You know, in hindsight, I was editing this and I wondered if he had put it in rear only, would it have allowed this rear to pop up without the front turning?
That's tucked right there. Woo! All right, well, we have ran Pritchett Canyon, all the hard stuff. This is the end as far as we're concerned, so now I have to turn around and go back. All right, we got back to the trucks. We're all loaded up. And it's hot. Roland keeps talking about a waterfall, then we might go see what this waterfall is about. Maybe we'll take you along. So we did come out here to the waterfall, and this is pretty awesome. Well, it was a hot day in the buggy, so this is going to be a refreshing retreat. I don't have a whole lot left on this SD card, unfortunately, though. But get a little bonus footage on the waterfall day. This water is so cold.